Andreas!
Yeah?
I think I know how the microwave challenge works.
What do you mean?
I think it works like this. I think it works like this. Cup goes out. This goes in. I think I know how it works.
No.
Like
no,
this?
No, no!
So I don't know if you heard, the new challenge is here. And it's called the microwave challenge.
It sounds like this.
Bing! But I don't think you're supposed to put yourself in the microwave or anything else in the microwave that is not supposed to be there.
Don't do that shit. It's weird.
So this challenge is that you are supposed to look like you are in a microwave or a mannequin kinda. You'd stand still.
Scream for your life because you're going to die. Not? Oh, okay. That's what I would do if I was stuck in a microwave. I'm stuck in a microwave. I'm stuck in a microwave. Ah!
Okay, you're basically standing still and it looks like you're moving and everything. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
Nice.
Yeah, you will see how it works.
And make sure to subscribe to join the Viral family. Let's roll the clips.
Yeah.
Okay.
That looks freaking amazing.
Interesting. Do you think they did Control C, Control V?
Yeah, could have.
How else? I can't explain that.
Okay, well, nobody has screamed yet.
No, it's like, I don't understand. Like, if I was stuck in a microwave, as I would say, shit would be going down. I'd be screaming for my life, like trying to get out, knocking down the freaking window or something. I can see that he had his feet like on the other side, like out of frame. He was doing some crazy shit there. I don't trust this guy. He tried.
I mean, he goes pretty long.
Yeah. He's quite kind of laggy. Microwave.
I see what you're doing. It's not a...
Nailed it!
Damn, that microwave. I want that microwave. It's so fast. My food will be done in like 25 seconds. Do you guys also hate it when you put something in the microwave and you microwave it on full power for 3 minutes? You take it out, the plate is like scalding hot, you burn your hands, you have to go to the hospital and everything, get bandages. And then you touch the food, it's frozen solid. Can somebody explain that? Why is the plate warm? Why is my food cold? Somebody fix this. Fix this issue.
I think she could fix it. Because her microwave...
Yeah, that's what I say. That's why I need her.
I didn't understand that.
she got stuck on the pole. I was looking at the girl to the left, and I was like, looks like her foot is gonna hit the pole. And at that exact moment, it hit the pole and she stopped.
Oh, I didn't see that. I was looking on the one.
I was like, that's not gonna work, and it didn't.
That looks cool. I think she did it very good, actually.
Yeah. Oh, show off.
Oh, this is lit.
Damn. You just had to do that, didn't you? Oh, she looks famous.
She looks famous?
Yeah, because she's standing in front of one of those boards with like things on it.
Yeah.
That's usually what famous people do.
She looks famous because she stands by a board.
Have you ever seen somebody not famous standing in front of one of those boards, you know, when all the celebrities walk out? Why do we always have those as a background?
Because it's a nice
It's
view.
so you know that they are a celebrity. That's how you know. It's like, who's this person? Oh, it's a celebrity. Oh, now I know. Now I understand. Yeah.
She was cute though.
She was a good microwave. I'm a little bit disappointed that the video didn't end with just like a loud, long scream.
We will show them how to do it. Let's do it ourselves. So don't forget to subscribe to Viralace, because that's where our cool videos will be posted, and the link is down in the description.
And become part of the viral family.
See you there, see you here, see you later.
See you everywhere. I'm a little bit disappointed that the video didn't end with just like a loud, long scream. Ah!